Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to install a clutch cable on I guess 79 to 93 Foxbody. Also want to mention, I want to add that this is an adjustable clutch cable, so it's not going to be like the regular stock. It's got a little ball at the end, the non-adjustable one that you got to put pressure on the fork down there, and then you pop it on. This is totally different, but it's kind of the same thing as far as the steps to get it on the car, you know what I mean, on the quadrant, then on down to the clutch fork. It's pretty much all the same steps, besides the fact that you have to put tension on the fork to add a stock style non-adjustable with a little ball at the end. And that's kind of pretty much the only difference, and the fact that I have a firewall adjuster. That's a BBK firewall adjuster. This kit doesn't really come with much. This is all it came with, pretty much. It had a small little bevel on it. I don't even know what I did with it. But there it is right here. So it came with this and these two little nuts. So this, for a stock one, would go here. So we'll put this on my bolt tray and go ahead and put this on here. So this would go, I believe it went this way. I believe it goes this way. So I believe this is how it goes right here. Okay, so then this would just bolt up to the firewall, right? So I don't use this because I have the firewall adjuster. So essentially what the firewall adjuster does is it goes tighten to give tension and then loosen to untension. So all you have to do is, you know, go a certain amount down there, which is, to me, I like about, you know, the fucking threads to be about maybe 1 inch out. So about that much thread out down there, then I can adjust it up top and not have to go back down to the bottom and keep you know, keep lifting the car back up and then readjusting everything and shit. It just wastes a lot of time, and then the adjustability of that, just can't beat that. So I'll show you how to put this. I'm gonna show you how to install this proper way, and the easiest way, and the only way. So tune in right here to the next step. You're gonna want to go ahead and guide this down there. Just kind of want to get it down to the bottom in there. It's gonna go kind of between the motor mount and the I'll show you guys here. So you're gonna want to go right there between the motor mount and the oil pan. That's gonna be the path with least resistance, less binding. You don't have to worry about much. That's pretty much the way it goes. I think that was the stock way, and that's the only way that I've ever used it, and I don't really have issues that way. And it's easy to get in. You don't have to even get on the bottom. As you can see, I just got it through there, and it's gonna be waiting for me somewhere down there, you know, for me to be able to put it in. All right, so now we have down here, when you're removing this thing, it's going to be pretty much the same thing as putting it on. So you would take off this. There goes, I had to actually use a drill bit to make this a little bit bigger so that this could fit in there. So I use, this is, mine is a 1/2 inch. So yours guys might be a little bit different. essentially what you want to do here is put this in here. That's what we're going to do, is one-handed. So put this in here, and then, where is it at? Let's see. Sorry about that, fellas. I'm trying to get this thing in there. Alrighty. Get the ratchet. Alrighty, don't over tighten. This is sheet metal, it's just gonna strip and loosen it. So you got that tightened down there. I also wanted to note that I got this from American Muscle. So I got this one, it's brand new. I actually had installed this already, but when I was uploading the video, I accidentally deleted the videos. Well, I had to delete the videos because I had too many videos and needed to free up some space. So I deleted the videos on my phone, and I thought I had it still on the iMovies or whatever, and apparently it deleted those videos too. So I had to take it back off, and then, you know, so I don't have the unboxing. I had an unboxing video, so unfortunately the boxes are up there. So unfortunately, I can't give you an unboxing video. I didn't want to tape it up and do all that shit, so I just took it back off and did an install video. Anyways, it comes with these three, like, I would call them teeth, right? I mean, 4 teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is for the that section where you would use for the firewall to grab onto the, I don't even know where I put it. But anyways, on that last section, that piece that goes here, the piece that goes here, it pretty much locks that in. So what you have to do, because it won't fit in there, you have to notch these off. So you can see that I had to notch that off right there, so it can fit. All right, now I can get this thing going. Let's see if I can. Get her in there. There's one right between the wires. Hold on. All right. That's wire. All right. God dang, that took forever. Anyways, she's in there now. So we have to check the fire. I mean, I was about to say the fire hydrant, the quadrant inside. Shout out to YOLO Douchebag. YOLO Douchebag tunes. Get the bitches tuned, baby. So the firewall adjuster's right there. We have to, where's it at? Oh, it's on this side. I don't know if you can get a view from up here. Can you see that? Where's it at? Can you see it? No. Okay, we'll just come back down here and I'll show you this way. Okay, so what we're gonna want to do is just try to take this wire, and you're gonna want to grab this wire, right? And so you can see the wire right there, and then you're gonna want to bring it up over that hook there. All right, you're gonna have two hooks. I don't know if you can see the second hook back there. That's for a shorter cable, and for mine is gonna be the one in the front. All right, so now we're gonna go down the bottom of the car, and then I'm gonna show you how to put the clip on there, how to lock it in there, and then how to adjust it down there, and how far to adjust it. All right, so what we want to do is take this, and you want to keep tension on this because you don't want it to slip off of the put that down for a second. You don't want it to come off the quadrant up inside. So I forgot the adjusting nut. Hold on. Alrighty, so we're gonna have to put it in this slot here. We're gonna use this one to adjust. Alright, we want it to look like that, and then we're gonna adjust it right now. But before we do all that, I want to note to not lose these clips. They're universal. You can buy them at AutoZone. You can buy different sizes of them, but you don't want to lose them. Come on, baby. Pop that sucker on there like that. Should be good to go. Yes, sir. So now you're gonna take a 13 millimeter and you're gonna put it to tighten. But before we do all that, we gotta hold this section down here. This is the way I have to do it. There's not enough tension on it, so. But this is fairly simple too, anyway. So I'm not putting too much force in this anyway. It's really, really soft. Let's see how much we got. We want about an inch. That'll give me room to play with up top. Sorry about the loud bang, bang, bang. Not quite there. Just a tad bit more. That looks about right. From here to here would be about an inch, so I think we're good. Alright, so from here, all you would have to do is go back up there. Like I have the firewall adjuster, I can adjust it up there. But if you guys that don't have a firewall adjuster, but you have this style of cable, then you're just gonna have to raise your car back up or keep it up and then, you know, go back in and out of your car to figure out where you like the tension on the pedal and the release of the clutch as well. So this is pretty much really simple, how to install clutch cable, how to adjust the clutch cable, and it's all really about pedal feel and the way that this disengages, because if this shit don't disengage, and go into gear at the right, you know, spot and whatnot, then you're gonna have issues. You're gonna fucking fry your clutch or whatever. You know, it's gonna be bad. So just always make sure that you give it a few good tests, and you should be good to go. But thanks again for watching. Before we go out of here, I just wanted to just show this really quick before I actually really say goodbye to you folks. But this is how you would tighten it. So you go this way, counterclockwise to tighten. You go clockwise to loosen. So you know, that's pretty much how it works here. And that way you don't have to go down on the bottom and have to keep adjusting the one on the bottom. So alright folks, I hope this helps somebody out there. Appreciate it.